This is Taliha Khan, and you're listening to the Tales by RJ Tals podcast, Season 2, Spark Up, a place for conversations and inspiration. Listen on. Sectum Sempra. I know this is a curse used by Snape in Harry Potter. Snape used this on me only. Yeah, I think I have been victimized by this. This podcast took me 3-4 months to record, so it's in bits and pieces. And since the past 1 month I am on bed rest, which will continue for the next 2 months. Nonetheless, I'll be here. Well, let's not discuss about the future. Let's come straight here in the present, because I have a present for you. I'm pretty sure you will really love it, and I would love to hear your feedback. And if you like this podcast, well, don't keep it with yourself. Do share it with everyone. On that note, here we go. Camera rolling, rolling. Mic rolling, rolling. Lights on, on. Lights, camera, and action. Hi, how are you doing? It has been a really long time since I could come here and have a word with you. I've actually been missing you a lot. The past 3-4 months have been so hectic, and the correct terminology would be effed up, because I have been into so many ups and downs of life that I can't tell you. In fact, 2020 में जो भी worst और जो भी best हुआ वो इन्हीं months में हुआ. So it's been a combo of both. Thanks to the office work and thanks to all the hustles I was into, I could actually be sane in these times. But then life moves on, it does not stop, and so it does. But I am here today, and first of all, this episode is dedicated to the most asked question: where are you? What are you doing? What happened? Is everything okay? So I want to express my thanks, my gratitude to each one of you who has actually been trying to be in touch with me since the past few months. To each one of you who continued to listen to my podcast, old episodes now. Although I was not here, but you kept on listening to those episodes, and I have really good, strong listenership and so many plays now, I can't believe it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for the same. We have completed more than 50 episodes, and this is episode number 53, where I am going to tell you a true story of how I sparked up from a very terrible situation. So अब तक हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली इंस्टाग्राम से और कुछ इंसिडेंट्स इधर उधर न्यूज़ से सुना के there is something called anxiety, there is something called mental health, and honestly if you ask me, I thought that these are fancy terms of the rich society, some kind of lingo which at least मैं तो कभी इससे जूझने नहीं वाली. But the day I announced that I will be having a season 2 of Spark Up, उसी के 2-3 दिन बाद I went through something really terrible. Now I don't know if you know that, but my father is no more with us. So I am the only child, and my mom was seriously ill. For so many months it has been a struggle, because earlier what used to happen was that we used to divide our household work, and some things she was taking care of, some of the things I was taking care of, and right now everything came upon my shoulders. So doing the entire office work and then doing each and every household work became my responsibility. It was quite tough for me to manage that, because at the back of my mind I was in a mental trauma that my mom is not well. In fact, it worsened, and there were nights where I did not feel like sleeping. Now imagine, पूरा दिन आपका ऑफिस के काम में गया, घर के काम में गया, और भी सारे कामों में गया. So you are actually doing a lot of physical and mental work. At the end of the day, natural सी बात है, you would be very tired, in a need of having some rest. I was tired, but when I used to lay down on my bed, I just totally got a lot of stress in my mind. I could not sleep. I tried every possible way to sleep, and I could actually say that I was suffering from a hyper case of insomnia. I tried everything, watching the boring movies, watching different documentaries, whatever could make me sleep, bedtime stories, these kind of apps, and sleeping teas. Of course I did not try sleeping pills, वो ही एक last resort बचा था. But can you imagine the stress level कि मैं सो ही नहीं पाती थी. All the time I had a lot of stress. In fact एक ऐसी stage आई थी where I had thought I should quit everything. क्या फ़ायदा कुछ भी करने का if my mom is not well. That was the constant thought which came to my mind. कभी by mistake अगर आँख भी लग जाती थी तो यही चीज़ बार बार मेरे दिमाग को haunt करती थी. If this was not enough, 2020 ने जाते भी कर दिया एक सितम. I fell down the stairs and हो गया मेरा knee भस्म. So almost since a fortnight I am on bed rest. That again became another add-on to my anxiety. I learned a lot of things which you will get to know. I did a lot of hustling. I did not stop that. The only thing was I was quite absent from social media and I actually needed it. And to be honest, there were many days where I had completely uninstalled all of the apps. But I, being a person who loves to talk, I just wanted to be secluded. I did not want to talk to anyone. That was my state. I love to listen to music, one of my daily activities, but से भी नफरत होने लगी थी. I love to watch movies, but I stopped watching them. I lost any kind of interest in food, in any kind of daily activity. I stopped grooming myself, I stopped taking care of myself, and I was quite tense. So from all this you can gather my level of anxiety. But as I said, life moves on, nothing stops. The things which kept me sane were the projects which kept on coming, upon which I have been working since the past few months. One of the projects is a book which I did in collaboration with 27 other international authors, and ये जो सारे authors हैं ये online course creators हैं. So I'm quite glad that out of so many people I was one of the chosen one for this project. This has been like a heart and soul put out in a chapter. अब मेरे साथ सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम जो आई एम श्योर आपने फिगर आउट कर ली होगी इज दैट आई रियली लाइक टू talk a lot. So when I pen down things, when I create something, it just goes on and on and on and on until I realize there is a limit to this content. I would really request you to go ahead and buy it. In this chapter, I talk about why I decided to have a podcasting course of mine and my entire journey, and you should definitely read it. It's my emotion, my experiences poured out in that chapter. So I would really want you to fetch a copy and get hold of that. Having said that, it has been a tiresome journey of these past few months, and I already explained to you the level of anxiety and stress I had been through, which is yet not over. But then I have started living with it, and the way I cured it was by working on a lot of content just for you and mentoring everyone around for podcasting, motivating everyone to create content, and of course to spread as much positivity and happiness around, because I realized that was the most important and crucial thing which I needed, and maybe someone somewhere out there would really need it as well. And I'm going to be talking about that more and more in my further episodes, and I'm pretty sure it's going to help you, because this is the real story of how I sparked up from a very ashy situation, I would say. This is going to actually help you in many ways. Each and every episode which I'm going to bring on this Spark Up series is going to be beneficial for each and every one. And before I go, I want to leave you with a small gift. So this is my present to all of you. I'm going to be releasing a to Z series of podcasting in the form of short and macro videos which can help you to start podcasting. And not only that, it will also help you in creating content, in marketing your content all across the social media. I have been doing a lot of research into podcasts, into content creation, influencer marketing for the past almost more than 5 years now, and I decided to share all of my knowledge over here on social media. So stay tuned for all of those updates, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe me on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. All of the links are there in the description, and you will definitely get immense edutainment this year for sure. Also, if you want to reach out to me, I have a Telegram and Facebook group dedicated for podcasting and podcasting tips and content creation, and you can also do a one-on-one consultation. All of the links are there in the description. You're most welcome, and I would really be happy if I could mentor and guide you in any way. One more thing. It's a piece of music which I have been listening to one day accidentally while working on my content. I found out this song and there has never been any going back after that. I've been loving this so much and it has given me a lot of strength. So I'm leaving you with this song in a hope that this will also bring you a lot of strength and happiness and positivity as you listen through. So on that note, till you hear from me again very soon, this is me, your host Taleha Khan, signing off. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned to the Tales by Arshitals podcast, streaming on all the major podcasting platforms. Also follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and all the amazing social media. Podcast अच्छा लगा तो don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow. रुक जाओ. Fasten your seat belts as I bring you useful content.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy.
You were listening to the Tales by Arshitals podcast, where conversation meets inspiration.